My name is Priya, and I am doing some good and we're doing some um, I should be walking. I wanted to know all who want could really like catch up, and I wonder if I should send her to someone or should I just try to look for someone to be a moment little love note. Yeah. Hot and dangerous. If you never seen it, but I really like to fall in love and you have something on you. Or consider anything so like and you must start that you become my yeah. Just a good thing in my life. You will be the best of guys. You will be the best of guys. So let's go, oh, oh. Let's go. Thank you. Please rate. Please tell me what you thought. Bye.